Hello everyone, welcome to Rouse Repairs. Today got a good one for you, you guessed it. Going for another ride. Just got through picking up rocks on the track. Checked the bike over, of course. Made sure my timer's working. Double checked it. As long as the cable is turned like that, it works. So I believe that this sensor here, when this baby fell off, that this might have got tweaked or something, and there's like maybe a little break in there or something, but it was working, so we'll turn it on. Oh geez, I gotta put a new safety on, so we'll do that. Just finished walking the track, picking up rocks. Gotta be safe. Hopefully it can beat my old time, which was 1:06.3. So let's try to get down into the 1:05s. Gonna be safe, not gonna over jump, and let's get to riding. I'm trying too hard. Unreal. Okay, just got off the track. First race here. Let's see, we only went 6 minutes and 42 seconds. And let's see what we got. First lap, 106.97. Second lap, 106.77. So I'm at least being consistent. Third, 107.66. Fourth, 106.68. Fifth, 107.45. And sixth, 107.10. So yeah, pretty consistent. Didn't beat my times. But that was the first round. Let's see if I can get it on the second one. We went about 10 minutes. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, there we go. Sweet, I'm learning this thing. Actually I crashed on this one. Hopefully it's on there. So first lap 105, sweet. Came right out and beat my time. Right out of the gate. Nice. 105.65, that's my new fast lap. Hopefully I can beat it, but I highly doubt it. I kind of rode pretty shitty. The track was real slippery, as you could tell. Okay, first lap, 105.65. Oh my god, 104.97. Are you kidding me? But I was riding out of control. I'll take it though. But I did have a couple bad laps. So 104.97, fast lap. Third lap, 107.85. There's my crash lap, 127.99. But I got back on, I didn't fall off or anything, obviously, and just got back on and discussed and figured out what I was doing wrong. I knew what I was doing wrong. I didn't have enough speed on the big jump. Came off to the left and dang near hit some big ass rocks, and that's what I'm afraid of. Hitting a rock and I'll go right over the handlebars. I don't want to see that. Alright, fourth lap. I don't think I'll do any better. Fifth, back to 106. Sweet. I crashed and came back with a 106. You gotta like that. 107, 108, or 107, 108, 106. Wow. 105.65. Okay, but 104.97 is my fastest lap so far out on this track. Yeah, gotta be careful out there, man. As you can see, I was kind of riding a little out of control. I was trying to beat my time, but today, every day is a little different. When it's wet, it's stickier and muddier, and you can do, hook up a little better. Here, I was all over the place. I didn't really feel that comfortable on the bike, but I kept on riding, and I did longer the second time around and got my fast time. So you gotta like that. So moral of the story is be safe, have fun, get on your dirt bike. Appreciate you guys watching, liking, sharing, even subscribing if you like what you see. And I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.